Okay, since we are done disassembling an Epson L120, we are going to disassemble now an Epson L210. L210 is the same process with L220 and L360. They're just the same, and the only difference is the speed of printing. So one thing that you must master in disassembling an Epson printer with the scanner like this is how to remove the scanner and how to remove the cover. Once you master that, then it will be easy for you to manipulate inside, because as what is inside the Epson L120 is the same as this printer. So we start disassembling an Epson L210. For L220 and for L360 are the same process where I am doing this disassembling. So first is to unscrew the scanner. Usually this is a black screw. The next is to unscrew the cover right here. Yes, that screw. The next is to unclip the cover. What you must do is hold this one, then push it to the left. While pushing down to the left, look at my thumb, push down to the left, then push to the left, and my thumb is pushing down. Alright, I need both hands working on this. Okay, so push. This is the cover with the written serial in here. Push the cover to the left, push it down, and that's it. So it is now detached. Okay, very easy. Next is to remove the scanner cable here. You only have to pull it out. Okay, and next is to hold the scanner like this, one here and one here, pull it up. Okay, that's it. Then put the scanner to safety. As you can see now, what is inside the L120 will be the same as what is inside in this printer for L210, L220, and L360. The carriage, the sensor strip, the belts, the boards are in the same position. Okay. Okay, let us continue. Removing the cover for L210, L220, and L360 will be the same as opening the L210. So we start from here. This is a separate cover, and this one is a separate cover. It has a screw from here. Remove it. Okay, then I am reminding you again, this is just a demonstration printer, so do not imitate me tilting this printer upside down. Okay, so these are the locks for the cover. So these are the locks for the cover. This is where they are clipped. This one, you have to push it up then this one, push it up, and on the other side, this one, push it up, and this one, push it up too. Okay, and then after which you can see an arrow from here. This arrow means there's a lock being clipped in here, so you have to unlock it by going that direction. Okay, I'm unlocking the bottom locks, then the arrow. Okay, and then the cover, it is holding the right here, it's holding everything here. Okay, so it's done. And here, okay, that's very easy. And there is no screw from here. Then they have to get this stand of the scanner. The screw is very visible. Yes, this one. Then unlock the bottom locks, the bottom clips. Okay, same thing, there's a arrow going to this direction, so you have to unlock it that way too. Okay, that's it. Okay, so we are seeing our printer now, and we can manipulate easily whatever parts you will be doing, and there's no need for me to explain further and about the boards, the carriage, because we are going the same process as L120. Okay, so if you have questions about this, then comment below or direct message me on Facebook. Thank you so much, and see you next time. Once again, if you are new, please do yourself a favor, subscribe and follow our Facebook page for more updates, and direct message me if you have concerns on your printer or computers. Thank you so much.